What's up, everybody? If you've been following along, you know that we just finished our VANOS installation. We're going to cap it off by doing a replacement of the VANOS oil supply line. If you have an engine oil leak problem, this is a really good place to start looking because it's easy to get to. All right, we're going to be replacing it with Dr. VANOS's upgraded oil supply line.
Okay, since we're completely updating this VANOS, we're also going to be changing out this oil supply line on the VANOS. So this is one end, and the other end we'll find underneath the car. So that's your oil supply line bolt that he just took off there, and we're going to go under and show you where that thing terminates. Okay, I'm under the passenger side of the vehicle, and he has the screwdriver directly on where it terminates. It's right up in there,
right on top of the canister.
Trying to get a good vision on it. That's the best we can do. It's right up in there though. Find it there. You can disconnect it with a wrench. Okay, we're gonna do that now.
14 millimeter.
Okay, he's got the wrench on it so you can see it. It's just right on top of that canister like he was saying. So just loosen it up. Go ahead and take off that oil supply line, and then we replace it with our new one. Okay, here's the new oil supply line. This end right here is gonna go down on top of that canister that he just pulled off, and this one's gonna go up top connecting to the VANOS. Here's your new crush washers. You got 2 for each connection point. And there you go. Let's go ahead and connect this thing up. Okay, here's our new one. We're gonna go ahead and take it. We're gonna feed it down into the block. So remember, it goes behind this hose. I'm gonna go ahead and get both hands in this and feed it down to Fat Boy, and we're gonna get connected. Okay, there's a little clip on this new hose, and it's gonna go in the old position. We can't really get to it with a light, but the old position is just under that chain tensioner. So it's gonna be right around here. You find your chain tensioner, and there's a little hole that you can screw that clip into. Okay, we're gonna show you where that bolt goes. You see the clip, and you're gonna see the hole right next to it. That hole right there next to the clip, that's where you wanna bolt it into. Okay, we got the hose installed. Notice we put crush washers above and below each one and bolted down. Notice we got it clamped here, and then there's one below near that spot we showed you earlier.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions or comments, we'll go and leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.